Aircraft maintenance is about maintaining aircraft in serviceable condition with proper repairs, replacement, troubleshooting, and proper work documentation.
Ever since I was young, I'm always very fascinated on how the different parts of the aircraft move, and this is one of the reasons why I joined aircraft maintenance, is so that I could learn how the different parts of the aircraft move.
I chose to pursue aircraft maintenance only after I went for the air show, in which I was fascinated by how the fighter jets maneuver, and that was when I started to have interest in this skill.
To be good at this, you will need knowledge and skill that can be obtained through education and on-the-job training. Besides that, you will also need a good working attitude to excel in this field.
I've learned sheet metal fabrication, WorldSkills inspection, flight control rigging, and many other more, which I hope will benefit me in the future.
So I've learned many hands-on skills. Some of the examples are flight control rigging, electrical routing, as well as sheet metal fabrication.
In 5 to 10 years, we will see a rapid advancement in technology and innovation shaping the future of our aviation industry. In aircraft maintenance, you have numerous job opportunities. You can be an engineer who certify and release the aircraft to service, or you can be the support staff, such as technician, aircraft planners, or store inspectors.
In the future, I hope to become a licensed aircraft engineer so that I could learn the future technologies about an aircraft.
My career ambition is to become an Air Force engineer, as I feel that it's not simply just a job, it's more of a responsibility to keep our country safe and ready, and I feel that I'm up for the challenge to become an Air Force engineer.
In aircraft maintenance, you need great amount of passion and constant drive. Don't just like the idea of becoming a technician or an engineer. Be one.